friends! I'm Mr. Whiskers. Let's go on an adventure and learn today! Hey friends! Let's learn the letter J is for jump. Look at this Jeep! J is for Jeep. We found a Jaguar. J is for Jaguar. Look, I see a jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. This jungle is so big, J is for jungle. Look, we found some jam. J is for jam.
Look, we found a jungle cat. J is for jungle cat.
We learned the letter J. Great job. See you next time. Bye.